It's the Kincardine record. It's Saturday, February 19th. And it's cold and windy, and we're in the middle of a blizzard. I'm standing on Highway 21 at the north end of Kincardine, Town of Kincardine, right beside Home Hardware. And the Highway 21 is closed. All the way from Port Elgin right down to Amberley. Highway 9 is closed. Highway 9 is closed from Walkerton to Kincardine. And I understand Bruce County Highway Road 86, used to be Highway 86, is also closed all the way from Lucknow. Lucknow to Amberley. And you can see why. County roads are closed. It's snowy. It's cold. Stay home. It's the Kincardine record. Capturing the weather.